Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a table into a Google form questions. If you want to add a table, unfortunately, there is still no specific feature where you can add or create a table directly in here. But I found a trick, so you can follow these tips if you want. So if you want to add it into the in the question, you can use an image feature. So you can use a third party to create the table like Microsoft Excel or maybe Google Sheets or Google Docs. You can just create the table there, and after that use a print screen or a screenshot apps on your computer. I use this snipping tool and I screenshot the table and save the image on my computer. And after that, you can just click on this image button. Then just found the screenshot image of the table. Click on browse. Here I'm going to find one. For example, I'm going to use this table in here. Click on open. And just like that, the table is added into this Google Form question. It's very simple, but I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.